Now, Cage and Miles presents Counsel's Corner.
Welcome back to Counsel's Corner with attorneys Jamie Cage and Shannon Miles, family law experts. And we know that you two are, as we say, experts in family law. But do you find yourselves needing to rely on experts in other areas during court proceedings, Jamie?
Sure, we do. We often hire experts in our family law cases for a variety of reasons, depending on the issues before the court. So, for example, if a client is telling us that a certain fact is true, saying that to the judge versus having an expert testify to that fact are two completely different things.
Really?
Right, of course.
You can't trust what they say? I know what you mean. The burden of proof is on you, right? What kinds of experts are we talking about, Shannon?
So typically in a family law case, you're primarily dealing with mental health professionals, psychological experts, and they're going to be giving an opinion to the court with respect to custody in most cases.
Right.
The other types of experts that we commonly use are going to be CPAs, forensic financial experts that are going to help us deliver information to the court that have to do with some of the more complex financial and property issues that we
where
often
the money
encounter.
is and how much things are worth, right? Because you want some appraisal of things, right?
Sure. So if we're talking about a certain asset at the time of trial, we have to tell the court the value of that asset. So I can't tell the judge, well, I believe this house is worth X number of dollars. We would hire a real estate appraiser to find out the value of that particular piece of real property. We also might hire someone to conduct a valuation of a business. So if one or both spouses own businesses or the same business, we need to tell the court what is the value of that business, and we would need to bring an expert on to do that.
Oh, very interesting. Now, how do they get involved in these cases? You hire your own? Can the other side hire one too?
Yes. Either side has a right to hire their own expert, sometimes just for consulting purposes, and sometimes because that expert is actually going to be testifying and delivering an opinion to the court. The other type of expert that might come into play would be the court's own expert. The court can appoint its own neutral expert to give an opinion to the court if it's an area that the court doesn't know much about. A lot of time custody evaluations are what you hear about, and that's going to be something where the court might appoint its own expert.
Cage and Miles know their clients are going through difficult times. You can find out more by calling 858-943-2060 or go to cageandmiles.com.